This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by the Scroggins team. Lakefront Brown County home has everything you could ask for. Open concept floor plan featuring remodeled large kitchen, master on the main, hardwood floors, new geothermal system installed only a month ago. Swimming pool, pergola, wrap-around deck, 2 Brown County stone fireplaces, walkout basement and located in Parkview subdivision located just off 46 only minutes from downtown Nashville or I-65. Enjoy the view of the shared lake from one of the many windows in the dining area or family room. Master bedroom also has an amazing view of the lake as well as an 18x8 walk-in closet. The walkout basement offers up an additional family room, the second fireplace, full bath and 2 bedrooms. Enjoy Brown County living in this well-maintained home. For more information, review the details below.